In this EiE for Kindergarten how-to video, we'll show you how to prepare and use the workstations for Lesson 3 of Here's the Scoop, Designing Trash Collectors. Place the aluminum tray such that it will be accessible to both pairs of students. Fill the tray with 50 pom-poms. Set out the trash collector handles, quarter sheets of copy paper, and the roll of painter's tape. Consider pre-cutting strips of painter's tape for students who may struggle to make their own. Students will use this workstation to create different shapes for the scoop part of their trash collector. They will test these shapes by taking turns trying to scoop up pom-poms.